Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about a new topic, that is concentration of solution from chapter number 2, Is matter around us pure? So chapter 2, Is matter around us pure? In this we will discuss about the concentration of solution. This topic is very important for all of you to understand, and based on this we will do the numericals as well. So how will you define the concentration of solution? It is defined as the amount of solute present in given quantity of solution. That means, how will you define the concentration of solution? The amount of solute present in given quantity of solution. Suppose I want to prepare 5% of glucose solution. 5% means 5 grams of glucose will be dissolved in enough water to have 100 grams of total solution. That means 5 grams of solute. Here the solute is glucose, and the solution means solute as well as solvent. The mass of these two will be 100 grams. But whenever you go home, your mother prepares your glucose solution, then she takes some amount of water and then she add 1 or 2 spatula or spoon of glucose. Now, will you find the taste of the glucose same regularly? No. That means whenever you are drinking the glucose solution, every day your solution has a different amount of solute, because your mother never measures the amount of solute that she is adding. But suppose I am asking you to prepare the 5% of glucose solution, then definitely you have to add 5 grams of glucose in enough water to make it 100 grams of solution. So here is the formula to calculate the concentration of solution, which is mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. That is the formula to calculate the concentration of solution. Or suppose in the numerical it has been given the volume of solution. That means now we will use the formula as concentration of solution is equal to mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. So based on this formula, we will do some numericals. So here is the first question, which says that the solution contains 30 grams of sugar dissolved in 370 grams of water. Now the question is, you have to calculate the concentration of solution. To solve this numerical, first write down the given, whatever is provided in the question. So the solution contains 30 grams of sugar. Sugar is my solute. So mass of sugar, in bracket you can write down solute, that is equal to 30 grams, which is dissolved in 370 grams of water. That means mass of water, and in bracket you can write down solvent, which is equal to 370 grams. Now, as per the formula, it is mass of solute upon mass of solution. That means mass of solute is already provided, but there is no mass of solution. I have been provided with mass of water, that is solvent. So first I will calculate mass of solution, which is sugar plus water, that is equal to 30 plus 370 grams, and your answer will be 400 grams. Now apply the formula of concentration of solution, which is mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. So mass of solute is 30 and mass of solution will be 400 into 100. So after solving, you will get 30 upon 4 and answer will be 7.5%. Now percentage means you are taking the mass of solution as the 100. That means only then the percentage will be calculated. So concentration has the unit which you will express in percentage, because we have written this 100 here. So we are calculating in percentage. There is another numerical, question number 2, which says that if 110 grams of copper sulfate is present in 550 grams of solution, then calculate the concentration of solution. So here is your answer. If 110 grams of copper sulfate, that means mass of copper sulfate, which has a chemical formula CuSO4, that is my solute, which is equal to 110 grams, and this solute is present in 550 grams of solution. Now you have to focus on this solution. Solution means mass of copper sulfate plus water, and in bracket you can write down solution, because it has been provided with mass of solution, that is 550 grams. Now we will not add these two, because in the formula it is mass of solute upon mass of solution, and we know that mass of solute and mass of solution is provided. So first we will apply the formula. Concentration of solution is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. So mass of solute here will be 110 grams and mass of solution is 550 grams. 11 5s are 55. So your answer will be 20%. So this is the concentration of the solution when 110 grams of solute is dissolved in 550 grams of solution. Next, question number 3 is, a solution contains ml of alcohol mixed with 150 ml of water calculate the concentration of solution. Now we will solve this numerical too. First, write down the given. A solution contains 50 ml of alcohol. Now alcohol is present in the liquid state and the unit you can see it is in ml. That means now we are not provided with the mass, but we will write the volume of alcohol. I am repeating again, a solution contains 50 ml of alcohol mixed with 150 ml of water. So this 50 ml is volume of alcohol and alcohol will be considered as a solute which is equal to 50 ml. Now volume of water, and here water is our solvent, that is equal to 150 ml. So as per the formula, we require volume of solution, and solution means alcohol plus water. So it will be 50 plus 150 comes out to be 200 ml. So write down the concentration of solution formula, that is, now we will write volume of solute. Now we will consider volume here. So volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Volume of solute is 50. Volume of solution, that is equal to 200 into 100. So solve this question, you will get 25%. So this is the concentration of solution in which 50 ml of alcohol is mixed with 150 ml of water. Next numerical. Calculate the mass of potassium sulfate required to prepare its 10% solution in 100 grams of water. Now here is the solution. So calculate the mass. First write down the given and whatever you have to find out. Calculate the mass of potassium sulfate. Now we have to find mass of potassium sulfate. Its chemical formula is K2SO4. If you want to write potassium sulfate, you can write the spelling as well, but you should know that potassium sulfate is written as K2SO4 and its formula we will learn in chapter number 3, how to write the formula of such kind of salts. So mass of potassium sulfate we have to calculate, let it be X grams, to prepare its 10% solution. That means we are provided with concentration of solution and the concentration is 10%. Calculate the mass of potassium sulfate required to prepare its 10% solution in 100 grams of water. Now mass of solvent is 100 grams. So first write down the formula. Concentration of solution is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. After this formula, I'll just substitute the values. Concentration of solution is equal to mass of solute and mass of solute is X. What is the value of concentration here? Which is equal to 10%. So here it will be 10 is equal to mass of solute, let it be X, that is we have to calculate mass of solution is. Now what will be mass of solution? Now you can think that mass of solution will be equal to mass of solute and mass of solvent. So it will be X plus 100 grams. So I will just substitute the value. Mass of solution will be X plus 100 and into 100 because of the formula. Now calculate the value of X with the help of this equation. 10, this 100 will go in, divide X upon X plus 100. 1 0 1 0 will cancel out. After this cross multiply, it becomes X plus 100 is equal to 10x. So now it will be 10x minus x. Simply this is your mathematics, you should know how to calculate. 10x minus x is equal to 100, comes out to be 9x is equal to 100, and x will be 100 upon 9, then x will be 11.1 grams. Because now why we are not writing percentage? Because this is not our concentration, but X is the mass of potassium sulfate that we want to calculate, which is required to prepare 10% of the 10% of its solution in 100 grams of water. So this is how we can calculate. Coming to next numerical, question number 5. It says that what volume of ethyl alcohol and water must be mixed to prepare 250 ml of 60% volume by volume solution of alcohol in water. So here we will solve this numerical. Now the question is, what volume of ethyl alcohol and water must be mixed to prepare? That means volume of together. We want to calculate volume of solution because it has been asked what volume of ethyl alcohol and water must be mixed. कितना alcohol और water mix किया जाना चाहिए साथ में. So that means volume of solution we have to calculate, that is ethyl alcohol and water. So we are considering it as x ml because it is a volume. So I am writing the unit as ml. To prepare 250 ml of 60% volume by volume solution of alcohol in water. Now the concentration of solution, that is 60% as per question. What volume of ethyl alcohol and water must be mixed to prepare 250 ml of 60% volume by volume solution of alcohol in water? So 60% is the concentration. Volume of solute we have to calculate volume of solution. Class, just a minute. What volume of ethyl alcohol must be mixed? There is some slight error in the question, which is what volume of ethyl alcohol must be mixed to prepare 250 ml of 60% volume by volume solution of alcohol in water. That means we have to calculate the volume of ethyl alcohol. So we have to calculate the volume of only solute, and solute here is ethyl alcohol. I am assuming it as x ml, and the concentration of the solution is 60%. And 250 ml, what is 250 ml then? It will be the volume of solution that is equivalent to 250 ml. क्योंकि हमें क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पढ़िए, कितना इथाइल अल्कोहल डालें कि हमारा सोल्यूशन 60% बन जाए, और 60% इज 250 ml ऑफ सोल्यूशन. सो द फॉर्मूला विल बी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ सोल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ solution into 100. Now concentration of solution is 60 and volume of solute is, that is X we had considered, and volume of solution will be 250 into 100. There was slight error in the question, so you have to just remove that and water. Now solve this value. 60 into 250 upon 100. 0 will get cancelled. It will be 25 into 6 comes out to be 150 ml. So that means 150 ml of alcohol must be mixed to prepare 250 ml of 60% volume by volume solution of alcohol in water. So this is how you have to solve this question. But suppose in the question it is also asked, calculate the total volume of solvent. So how will you calculate the volume of solvent here? Volume of solution minus volume of solute. So volume of solution is 250 and volume of solute is 150. So volume of solvent will be equal to 100 ml. So this is how in this video we have discussed how the concentration numericals can be solved. Thank you class.